Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin. Today we have an unboxing video, unpackaging, but we always call these unboxings. So this is a watch from EMG Watches. I reached out to Eric on Instagram about sending over a watch for us to check out, and he graciously agreed to do so. This is the DL63 chronograph. So let's get this out of here. I believe this is a Mecha Quartz chronograph. So it comes in a nice little canvas watch roll here. And there's the EMG logo and the leather patch. So that's nice. Nice, simple, effective packaging, and it's useful as well. You could use this to travel with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spots here. So you could have some straps for your watch. So let's see what we have. Oh, this is pretty cool. It looks like a cork strap. I've never had one of these in hand before. I don't know how this works, if this is actual cork or what this is. So I'll have to do a little more research on that. If it's just a pattern on... no, that feels like cork. So that's pretty cool. Very interesting. I don't know what that smells like. So also this is, I would call this a rally style strap with the holes in it there. Oh, okay, I was mistaken. This is a sea-gull movement. ST1901, I think. I'm getting my model numbers mixed up, but I think that's what that is. The ST, oh, right there. It says it right there. ST1901. Right there. So, wow, that's very cool. Kind of reminds me of the old Tag Heuers, I guess, or Heuer. It's a very cool crystal. It's not plexiglass, so perhaps this is a sapphire crystal, which is designed to look like plexiglass, or it could be mineral crystal as well. I'll look up the information and I'll leave it in the description. Sorry about that. Cough came out of nowhere. I will look up the description, look up the information and put it in the description below. Yeah, very cool. I have a HK Ed with the same movement. I don't know where it's at, so maybe I'll compare these two in a different video. It has kind of a saucer shape or a UFO shaped case as well. I had a... oh geez, I forgot what watch it was. The Sept My watch had a similar kind of case to it. Yeah, this is very neat. You see how it's dished out there? It is a, what is that, concave or convex? It's a female reverse curvature in here. So very cool. All right, let's get this wound up. Feels pretty thick as well. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. I see. I was expecting that bigger gear to be moving, but there's a gear below here that's moving. Let's zoom in. There you go. You can see a gear below that one that is turning in there. I can tell which way to turn it at first. Yeah, so that's cool. I always like looking at these mechanical chronographs. This one does have a column wheel. Right there's the column wheel. So let me wind this up a little bit more. I'll activate the pushers from this side, and then I'll do it again from the top side. Actually, let's see. Okay, yep, this is the start-stop here. Oh, sorry. There we go. Didn't push it in far enough. So that center gear is moving, and that would be the chronograph second hand. So let me stop it. And then we'll reset it here, and then this kind of looks like a deer antler, I guess. This piece here should move. Yep. And that resets the chronograph hand. So we'll show you from this side here. Well, that's a nice orange second hand, chronograph second hand. So the left subdial is the running seconds, and then the right subdial, the 3 o'clock subdial, will be your minute countdown timer. DL63 mechanical hand wind chronograph. This is a very nice size crown as well, so very easy to hand wind. Much more so than the 1963 HK Ed chronograph I have. That's a 38 millimeter watch. This one here is probably at least 40 or 42. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below, and then for the full presentation video, we'll go over all the specs and everything. I'll spend a little bit more time with this. It does have quite a bit of dome here. So 15 more seconds, and then it'll switch over here. The 1 minute subdial will move forward. And then I'll stop it and reset it. And that should conclude the unboxing video. Actually, I'll put it on wrist here, too as well. Yeah, so that's pretty neat. Saw that just switch over right there. So I'll let it get to about the 15 and I'll stop it, and then we'll reset it, and you'll see this second hand snap back. All right, and I'm going to reset it, and you should see that second hand snap back. Yeah, very nice. I always like that about these mechanical chronographs. I also like hand winding these too. Okay, so these are not a quick release strap. So I may or may not switch this out. I don't know. I kind of like this brown strap. All right, let me get this on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Really appreciate talking back and forth with you guys in the comment section. I'd like to hear your opinion on these watches as well. It looks like I will be on the very tightest hole position. This leather strap is a little bit thick, but it feels pretty comfortable. And the holes will aid in breathability, of course. So it might be a little bit too, yeah, I'd say it's a little bit too big for my wrist. I don't know, let me know your thoughts, and then we'll zoom out here as well. May catch some clutter in the background, I don't know. We'll try and push some of that out of the way before we zoom out. Yeah, this is a very cool looking watch. It is actually quite thick though. So I'll be curious to see how this all measures out. I'm assuming this is 22 millimeter lug width, but yeah, we'll go over all that in the full video. All right, let's zoom out here and then we'll close it out. Sorry, I went a little bit long in this unboxing video here. A lot to explore here. So zoomed out here, it does not look quite as large on my wrist. Kind of changes the perspective here. So yeah, so thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.